mar governors kaachiel kod ten migao mar thieth, omenda kod jotich kanyakla kod jakom duol mochung'ne ng'iyo osara mag jotij piny owacho chopo e romo ma kawuono. Komiti no noseo governors kuom nyiso od bura chae bang' rem chopo kata oro ng'ato ka bende gi bwogo mar medo fwai ma imiyo joma orem chopo e nyim od bura kowuok e siling' 500,000 nyaka $1,500,000 e kinde mabiro.
That means I'm suggesting this meeting cannot go on without COG and all other important stakeholders, and put them on summon as soon as possible, as our standing order says, so that we have all the players on table and come up with a resolution to save the lives of Kenyans.
Honorable Sifuna and Honorable Ledama, that when your bill on the summons comes to the National Assembly, we will actually raise the figure to 5 million. And we'll be able to make sure that there is arrest and even imprisonment for 6 months, so that it becomes a lesson, so that we can be able to enforce. We are in agreement with you, and you know I'm part of the team in the National Assembly that will make sure this will pass.
So failure of COG to attend this sitting, and all those who are invited, even with the apologies that were received, the decision of this joint sitting, the honorable members of the National Assembly and the Senate, is that this meeting is adjourned and the relevant cabinet secretaries be summoned as per our standing orders on 2nd of May 2024